out these amazing robots. They shoot powerful water jets 360 degrees to deep clean commercial kitchen exhaust systems. Cleaning large kitchen exhaust systems in places like restaurants, hospitals, and schools can be quite challenging. Cleaning staff could find themselves spending hours in narrow and grimy ducts, often ending up coated in grease. With the introduction of smart cleaning robots, things can be changed completely. Developed by Rongjiang Technology, these cleaning robots have a stainless steel body with tracked treads. Utilizing multiple cameras and LED lights, the robot transmits a clear and real-time feed of the duct interior to the control unit held by the staff outside, granting the staff complete control of the entire cleaning process. The robot can navigate slopes up to 30 degrees and overcome obstacles as high as 22 millimeters. With a pressure of about 150 bars and a flow range of 20 liters per minute, it effectively removes grease and debris from the kitchen exhaust system without causing damage. A tube then carries the collected material out of the duct, facilitating subsequent cleaning. Rongjiang Technology has developed two cleaning robots, G30 and G31, to handle various sizes of range hood ducts. The company also has different models of robotic machines designed for central air conditioner cleaning, as well as sewer inspection and cleaning. Witnessing these cleaning robots in action, it became evident that they could help prevent potential cleaning-related health risks. The cleaning and maintenance workforce often faces dangers such as exposure to toxic gases, grease, and unnoticed injuries like nail punctures. In the event of loose pipes, there is even a risk of personnel falling. The presence of these robots reflects a substantial transformation within the cleaning service sector towards increased automation and intelligence. What's your take on this trend? Share your thoughts in the comments. Hi GI Gadgets fans, check out these amazing robots.